You can cook githeri using beans, or even you can cook using pigeon peas. Guys, pigeon peas are common in the tropical land countries, and here in Kenya we do githeri using pigeon peas. So today I'm going to take you along as we prepare and cook githeri using the green pigeon peas and also green maize. Already the maize is shredded, so it's ready to be cooked. So let me take you along as we prepare our pigeon peas. So this is how you do your pigeon peas. Guys, let me show you. Yeah, these are the green seeds of the pigeon peas. So we are going to remove slowly by slowly. It's an art, guys. Cooking, I said it's an art. Even removing these pigeon peas, it's a therapy, in fact. So this is what we want. I enjoy doing this, guys. Really enjoy doing this. Comment, guys, tell me where you are watching as we do the pigeon peas. Meanwhile, our maize is still here. That one will hold until we finish removing the pigeon peas. We are still making while enjoying music. Guys, I'm watching music called Butterfly Feelings. Are you feeling the butterflies, guys? Listen to that. As we make green peas and maize recipe. Listen to that, guys. Hey. Butterfly feeling. Go check her out. She's called Menendez, guys. Go check her out. Butterfly feelings as we do our githeri recipe. So guys, our pigeon peas are ready and our maize is ready. So we go to the next step of now cooking. We are done with the removing from the pots. Now it's cooking time. So join us as we do this, guys. Meanwhile, now these are the ponds. We don't need them. You can give them to your cows, to your goats, if you are at a place where you have such. But me, I'm in town, so I'm going to throw them away. Or you can even make them to put in a composite pit to make manure. But for now, we are going to throw them. So let's do that. So now we start with washing our maize. Remember, our maize is green. It's already shelled. So we wash our maize, then as we wash, we already put our water to boil. So remember, we do first with the maize. You remove the dirt ones. And also all this you remove. So guys, our maize is clean. You have to wash them because sometimes this maize you buy, so you don't know how many people have touched or the process of bringing to the market. So our maize is clean and our water is hot. So we just put our maize and let it boil. We'll boil our maize until they are tender. Then now we go in with our pigeon peas. Remember, both of them are green and soft, so it won't take time. So let's cover our pot and cook the maize. So our maize is boiling perfectly. So now we go in with our pigeon peas, already washed, and mix it. Maize is a bit hard, so that's why we usually boil it first before. Let me wipe my camera, guys. We boil it before adding the pigeon peas to get nicely. So otherwise, when you put at the same time, the pigeon peas will overcook before the maize. So at this point, they are doing well. We cover and let our kideri cook.
And if there's no corona actually right now, I'm having 50 plus. And I dropped in another class, so it's not like 80.
After boiling, our kideri looks like this. So yummy, so nice. Well mixed. Mixed in equal ratios. So nice. Guys, these are very nice delicacy. You should try it. So now, we are not going to eat like that. We are going to fry with tomatoes and onions. And it is going to be super. So let us do that. You know what, guys? You don't just eat your kideri, you fry it so that you can have the nice flavors. So with me, I have already cut my onions. I have here ginger and garlic. I'm going to crush them. Then I have our carrots there, tomato, and the magic today will be the purple cabbage. So join me as we do that. And then also I'll spice it with rosemary together with other spices. So let's do this. So first of all, you fry your onions, and the kideri needs good oil. So don't ask me why that oil. If you want your kideri to be delicious, put enough oil. Not too much, not little, but enough for that kideri. So leave my onion to cook until it becomes golden brown. Meanwhile, let me crush my ginger and garlic. This is how we crush it, guys. You see? If you want it to crush well, you add some salt there. Nice. So guys, our ginger and garlic is well pounded, so we add there. The aroma, guys. Let the ginger and garlic cook. Then we go in with our rosemary. Guys, if you want your flavors to be nice, put them direct to the oil. Let them cook with the oil first. So right now we put ginger, garlic and rosemary. Let it cook. Then we go in with our cubes. Big cubes. So nice. Now guys, we go in with our tomato. So nice. The tomato will cook, but you don't need to cook it for long. You can add now the other ingredients. For now, I'm going to add the carrot and the purple cabbage. So here goes the carrot. And also here goes the purple cabbage. Be careful. Let me just add like that. I like the color, guys. The mixture of colors does everything. That's so nice. Make the food to be magical. I said cooking is an art. So here we have orange, red, purple, and there we have white maize and green peas. So the color is magical. If you have green pepper, you can add it. So let's cook this. So guys, I added salt and turmeric without showing it. I forgot. But you can see now the flavors, the color. You can see how it's coming out. So magical. So now we go in with our pegiin. Nice, guys. Allow me to stir, then I'll come back to you. So guys, it's nice. So we allow it to cook and mix well. But at this point, it is perfect. Fantastical. But we allow it to cook, the water to reduce, then we'll enjoy our meal. So let's give it time to cook. Boiling perfect. So nice. So guys, our kideri is well cooked. Look at that. And you bring your camera close. So nice. Invite my camera, guys. So perfect. So it's ready to be served. I've switched off. So we are serving.
Guys, I'm told I have some visitors who have arrived with big gifts. For sure,
I like the way the fringes are coming out and our kideri. So nice, guys. So nice, guys. So very nice flavors, nice colors. We have orange, red, purple, green, white. A mixture of colors, guys. Remember we said cooking is an art. And whenever you are enjoying a meal, you should enjoy the colors, the flavor, and so forth. So our kideri is very colorful and so delicious. Until next time, allow us to enjoy our meal. Bye-bye for now. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, guys. Subscribe and watch our videos to the end, Lord, guys. And also turn on that notification button for more videos. Until next time, adios amigos. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.